Everybody can put parts together. We put parts together that do not fail. These parts are going into people, life science, aerospace, defense, assemblies that go into satellites. They're 100% validated. They can't be done wrong. This one is a needle assembler. It's got a 16 thou wire that goes inside a 17 thou ID needle. So we've got a camera looking down. It goes and tells us the XYZ of the needle itself. We go to the location of the part, we turn vacuum on, and then we watch the delta to verify that we actually picked the part. We present it underneath the camera for both the wire and the needle. The needle is inspected and the wire for its quality check. It's not long, it's not round, it's not bent. Then we go to, hey, where are you in space? We find the locations in space relative to each other, and then through our algorithm, we are able to use vision-guided robotics in order to be able to insert that wire into the needle. When we do this, you can actually watch it go inserted, and it doesn't even move the needle. After that, we do a post-inspection. We validate that it got in there, it's at the right angle, it didn't submarine, and we keep all that information in there for reporting. How many parts were good, how many parts were bad, how many quality checks were done for the wire and the needle, how many complete validated assemblies there were.
We make the smallest and most precise robots in the world. In this application, you'll actually see two of our Mecha 500 6-axis robots and our MCS 500 Scarra robot as well. All of the controls are in the base of these robots. So the robots have 5 microns of repeatability, but the resolution is about a micron. So we work with very tiny parts in very high precision industries like medical device and optics, photonics, defense. So apart from the robots, we work with the LMI sensors that allow these applications to take shape.
4K imager, 4,200 data points across the laser line, 5 micron resolution in the X. So you can actually create a very dense point cloud using this kind of technology. High speed, highly accurate, low RMA rates. Customers buy our stuff and we don't hear from them again because our stuff just works. Less than a ½ inch width, all the way up to 2 meters wide at a ½ millimeter between data points.
And we need somebody like Seymour Advanced Technologies to put it all together and make the application a success.
If you have a part that you drop and you can't find it, that's what we call our normal size parts. We do very, very small parts and we make sure that they're at the exact place that they need to be. We've been doing this for the last 6 years. We've updated our old proprietary technology, so now we have different degrees of freedom. We can scan the top of the part, the side of the part, underneath the part. We can sketch all the parts together. So we're not buying a bunch of different cameras to do a static operation. We can do that dynamically, and we can do it on a bunch of different parts, and different size parts, and we don't have to move the cameras. We've been working with LMI. We started this application with them. The usability of their tools, how it gets laid out, how it flows is second to none. It's very easy to get involved in that, but when you do get involved, you have a huge laundry list of all the other tools that are inside tools for you to be able to refine that tool even further and further. Their ability to connect tools together, their ability to find locations and parts in the scanning is phenomenal.